Hello kids and boys, my name is Kaeley and welcome back to Kaeley's channel. Today we are going to open this crystal flyers and we have purple. So first we start from the bottom all the way to the top. Ooh, actually I'm zipping it out. Oh my god. Oh my. So let's see the instruction. Let's check these. Okay, I'll open it. Oh my god, flocky. Oh my god, my first time touching it. Oh my god. Oh my. I need some scissors. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm here. Okay, my arm's free. Okay. Ooh. So, how do you it's a charging place. So you can charge it. First we have to charge. And here you're going to charge it first. And then we will play with it. Okay, vloggy. Okay, wait for me, vloggy. So I'm back and now it's charged. So this is the fairy flying. I wish I could show you more about it, but the phone was dead, so I'm sorry. But I still enjoyed the toy. It's so cool. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Blast off, fairy! Blast off! Thanks for watching.